To show widget names on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable the widget labels option so that your phone will not only display the widget but also its name. To do so, long tap on an empty area on the home screen and then tap setting. By default, your phone just display the widget without its name on the home screen. To show widget name on the home screen, tap the gray on offset next to widget labels until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, go to your home screen. As you can see, now your phone display the widget and its name. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.